Hey guys, so today I'm cooking with Home Chef, and I've actually just finished making this really delicious Mongolian beef dish. It's with roasted broccoli and it also has jasmine rice. I also got a few more meals from Home Chef. For this video, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to order from Home Chef and how simple it is to make a meal. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. I love ordering from Home Chef, and I'm really excited to be able to share this with you guys. When you sign up, you'll get $30 off using the code SARAH30OFF. And that's basically 2 to 3 free meals that you're getting, which is really exciting. So definitely take advantage of this offer. When you first get to their website, you'll just want to enter your email address, then you'll list your food preferences, your shipping, then payment information, and then you get to pick your meals. And I think this is such a fun part of the Home Chef experience. Look at all of these different meal plans and selections you get to choose from. These are some of my preferences, so it'll probably look a little bit different from yours, or it'll probably look very similar, but I also love that they have smoothies. They also have fruit baskets that are seasonal. And every time I order a recipe from Home Chef, I love to include it into my Home Chef cookbook, which you get when you first sign up as well. So moving on to this Mongolian beef recipe. A few of the ingredients are 4 green onions, and I chopped those. I also chopped 1 ounce of roasted peanuts. Next, I just minced 2 garlic cloves. Also 8 ounces of broccoli that I just chopped into bite-sized pieces. Next, I've placed some foil on a baking sheet with some olive oil, and then I've just put on my broccoli with some salt and pepper. And that's gonna go in my preheated oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. After that, I've cooked the jasmine rice, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the stovetop, and I've added some olive oil. Now I'm just adding 10 ounces of steak strips. And I'm not turning them at all, but they're gonna cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna take them off. And then they'll finish cooking at a later time when I mix everything all together. Now moving on to the sauce, I'm using the same pan, and I'm just mixing some olive oil with the garlic from before. Also a ½ ounce of light brown sugar mixed with 1 fluid ounce of soy sauce, and whoa, my lens got steamy. So I've also added a few red pepper flakes, stirred that together, and now I'm just gonna mix everything together. The beef, broccoli, and green onions, and I'm just gonna stir that for a couple minutes, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate everything. And I love this recipe so much. I've also added some of the peanuts from before on top, also with some red pepper flakes on top as well. Just depending on how hot you like this dish, you can add as much as you like. And the other thing that I really like is this dish took less than ½ an hour to make, plus it's 2 servings. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have tried Home Chef, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you guys are curious about trying it, definitely check out the description bar for more. I've used Home Chef before, and I really love this food subscription service. I just think they make everything so easy, and I like getting to try new meals. Also being able to pick out exactly what kind of foods I like. But that's it for this video. Again, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye!